Make it go boing, boing, boing.
Boing.
Watch out for his precious
coming up
precious.
against the muffler.
Yeah, well, it's normal.
Kick out stuff that's just falling apart.
It's fine. It's fine. It's not gonna hurt the muffler. It's touching the muffler, but it'll be fine.
You can look at them.
Can I slice this?
Yeah, you can pull that out actually, and that'll help you. Glenn's got the newbies. Look how nice those are. Wick is on round 10 of Hang the Disco Ball.
It's still hanging in the water.
If you let that leaf spring down a little bit, it'll help.
It'll help, yes, but I don't want to go too far. Ooh, multitask. I'm filming, holding a
There's
beverage.
nothing on it.
Yeah, it's fine. You just don't want it to go past, because then it's a real bitch to put it back.
Go past what?
That popping and going bloop, and then the spring's hanging down here. Then we're gonna have all kinds of fun.
But it's happened to you before and you've done it.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a bitch.
Well, how could
Yeah, it happened to me on my Trans Am.
How could that not happen though?
Well,
And then I went, you know what?
the F bodies hang below, so it's easy.
Yeah.
This it goes up and over the top.
And I was like, you know what? Nope, I'm done. I left the car there overnight and went and bought brand new leaf springs and put it on. I upgraded them from 3 to 5. On a Trans Am, they had 3 slats.
Figure that's as good a time as any.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's not going anywhere.
All my second gen F bodies had deposit springs. Because I was cheating.
So let me ask you, what are we taking off? This,
Take a guess what he wants for it.
Way too much.
Bobby? We're taking this
You're
off.
good.
Yes.
The orange one. That's sitting over
So what's
30.
binding on this side?
12.
It's gonna pop it out.
I was like, yeah, no.
It's just hitting the muffler too.
5, me.
We have to take the muffler out too.
No. It needs to come out and down. This should come out. What the fuck?
Taking the muffler.
There you go. Yeah. If you pop the bushings out,
Okay.
it'll help it. But you got this. Luna, what do you think about class? Luna, what do you think about class? You're not impressed?
You just leave me though.
She's giving me the look.
Yeah. I'm gonna bite you if you don't stop bugging me.
Sassy. Sassy. All right, boys, we He-Man that out.
Come right out without touching.
So now,
So hold this down.
there you go.
You gonna go that way?
There you go.
Look how easy it went in.
And it goes in just like that.
I would go. You sure you want to go that way?
Yeah. Because it's going to make it easier for the next person to come change it in another 50 years.
Okay.
Got to bang it. There you go. There's one.
No,
You just got to get it square, and you can rotate it, and it'll go right in. Getting there.
Put a little grease on it.
No, you do not
No?
put grease on.
Rubber, yeah.
Oh no.
You do not lubricate
Because
rubber.
it eats it, right?
Yes.
Oh, it eats it.
There's
Is that
special
working,
grease
or-
for it,
See if it's going in or
but
not.
you don't need it. You get all the chunks out? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Bam. And just like that, look how easy that went back together, boys. Remember,
And this screw.
it's an hour to get it out and 3 seconds to put it back
I
in.
know.
Wow.
Now, if you give me the wrench,
Mr. Glenn needs
Actually-
960s ranger. Whoop. Oh, that's the pad. I thought it got your foot. I was like, oh no!
Oh, that's
No, that worked good. It's studded.
Oh, right.
And that side is done.